Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. If you are looking at S&P 500 index, then the lows of 2020 as well as the highs of 2020 were the gone days. Okay, so S&P 500 has already cleared all the levels. So as you can see here, the highs of 3397 which the S&P index has made in February 2020, and then sharp fallback happened, so the index is now trading above the range. Okay, and as you can see, it has already made a double bottom kind of pattern. Okay, so generally you will find that double bottom is very bullish when it has if it is appeared on the downside. But anyways, you can see a double bottom has been made and the stock is, or the index has again started moving on the upside. Okay, so we are going to discuss about that. So let's move to the hourly chart. So 3397 will anyhow be a support level, because in case of any such disruption which will be on the cards, which we don't know about, or the kind of volatility, if it appears probably in the weeks and in the months to come, so 3397 will be the level one should remember at least. Okay, but what we are going to discuss here is the current trend. So as you can see, the stock has made a low at 3237, and this was the resistance which the stock has cleared. So for the time being, what you will see here, that the current support for S&P indices will be in between 3515 and 3547. So these are the support level, or the range of support which S&P 500 should look at. But because as you can see, it went up, went down, again went up, again retested, and again started moving on the upside, so there is a clear indication that this is a breakout, and the indices in the coming days will go much higher from the current level. So considering this situation, how far will it go in the days to come, or what could be the next probable target? And for that, what we are going to do is, we are going to just measure the length of the previous consolidation which has just happened, and as you can see, it is 9.57%. so after this breakout, we can apply the same kind of target on the upside as well. Okay, so here you can see, so the next probable target which we are going to expect in S&P 500 indices will be 3886. Okay, and there is another way if you want to just go with the trend. So you can mark a line like this. Okay, if the stock goes toward the right hand side of this trend line, then obviously you will have your support like 3547 and 3515, and this you can consider as your stop loss as well, because if the index falls below 3500, then obviously there will be a sharp correction ahead. So that's why it's very important to understand where your support and resistance level lies. And if this trend line holds, and also these two support level, then obviously one more criteria, if you want to add for better clarification, or for a sense of better understanding. Okay, so it depends upon person to person. So the next immediate target will be 3654, and if 3654 holds, then you can consider this as your support, and you are going to look at next level, which will be around 3886 probably in the days as well as in the weeks to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.